If she does this, she wants you bad. Hey there, it's Anna. Ever found yourself in a situation where you are unsure if she's really into you? Well, today we're going to clear up any doubts. We are focusing on the definitive signs that shows when a woman wants you badly. It's about those unmistakable actions and cues that scream, I'm really into you. And by the end of this video, you will be able to pick up on these signals with confidence and understand just how much she is into you. Make sure to watch through to the very end for a crucial bonus tip. And this tip will elevate your understanding of attraction to a new level, adding a compelling twist to your interactions. It's an insightful addition that you will not want to miss. Marking her territory publicly. Understanding this behaviour can give insights into her level of interest. When a girl wants you extremely badly, she might engage in actions that subtly mark her territory, particularly in the presence of other women. This could manifest in various ways, such as making sure she's physically close to you in social settings, casually placing her hand on your arm, or engaging in affectionate gestures that signal to others that there's a special connection between the two of you. It's a way of non-verbally communicating her interest and possibly indicating to others that you are off the market. These actions are not about possession, but rather about expressing her interest and attachment to you in a social context. To respond to this behaviour, first assess how comfortable you are with these displays of affection, especially in public. If you are receptive to her interest, responding with a small gesture of your own can affirm her actions. This might be as simple as a warm smile or gentle touch in return, or continuing the conversation with her. The key is to recognize the intention behind her actions and to respond in a way that aligns with your feelings and comfort level in the relationship. Changing her appearance based on your preferences. Now, this can be a clear indicator of her strong interest in you. When a girl wants you badly, she may start to modify her style or appearance in ways that align with your expressed preferences. This could involve dressing in a certain style that she knows you like, changing her hairdo, or even adopting a type of makeup that she believes would appeal to you. These changes are often subtle and gradual, reflecting her desire to be more attractive to you based on what she perceives you to find appealing. It's her way of showing that she values your opinion and is keen on catching your attention. Recognizing these changes in her appearance requires attentiveness. If you notice such alterations, acknowledging them with a compliment can be affirming for her. It shows that you appreciate her effort and are attentive to the changes that she's making. However, it's also important to make her feel valued for who she is beyond just her physical appearance. Emphasizing that you appreciate her intrinsic qualities as well can reinforce that your interest in her goes beyond the superficial. This balanced approach ensures that while you recognize her efforts to appeal to you, you also value her for her individuality and personality. Excessive praise in public settings. When a woman is highly interested in you, she might take opportunities in public or social gatherings to sing your praises. This could manifest as her highlighting your talents, accomplishments, or positive qualities in front of others. It's a way for her to not only show her admiration for you, but also to subtly signal to others her high regard and interest in you. This excessive praise is often her way of expressing pride in being associated with you and a desire to let others know about your impressive traits. To respond to this kind of public praise, a mix of gratitude and humility is key. Acknowledge her compliments graciously, perhaps with a simple thank you or a modest compliment. You can also redirect some of that praise back towards her or to others to maintain a balance in the conversation. It's important to appreciate her intentions while ensuring that the interaction remains comfortable for everyone involved. Her actions reflect her feelings, and responding kindly shows that you respect and value her admiration. Before we delve into the next point, are you appreciating the insights? If so, a like and a quick comment go a long way, and I love reading your thoughts and suggestions. Displaying overprotectiveness. Our next point delves into a less talked about but significant sign, displaying overprotectiveness. It's essential to recognize when her concern for your well-being becomes more pronounced. When a woman is extremely interested in you, she might exhibit signs of being overly protective. This can include showing heightened concern for your safety, well-being, and overall happiness. She might be more attentive to your needs, frequently checking in on you or expressing concern over your choices, especially if she perceives any risk involved. While this behaviour stems from a place of care, it can sometimes border on being protective more than what might be considered usual. It's her way of showing that she deeply cares about you and your welfare. Responding to overprotectiveness requires a delicate balance. Acknowledge and appreciate her concern, as it's a sign of her care and affection. Let her know that her worries are noted and that you value her protective instincts. However, if her protectiveness feels overwhelming, it might be necessary to have an open conversation about boundaries. It's important to communicate your comfort levels while still appreciating her intentions. This approach ensures that her care for you is acknowledged, but also that your independence and comfort are maintained. Persistent attempts to impress your friends. When a woman wants you badly, she might go out of her way to impress or establish a good rapport with your friends. This behaviour can include being extra friendly, engaging in conversations with them, or showing interest in their activities. It's a strategic move, often driven by the belief that winning over your friends can positively influence your perception of her. This effort shows that she's not only interested in you, but is also keen on integrating into your social circle, demonstrating her commitment and long-term interest. To positively respond to her efforts, first recognize the intention behind them. It's a sign that she's serious about her interest in you and values people important to you. You can facilitate interactions between her and your friends, but also make sure to give her space to form her own connections. It's essential to ensure that these interactions remain comfortable for everyone, including your friends. You might also express appreciation for her efforts, letting her know that her interest in your friends is noted and valued. This acknowledgement can make her feel more secure and appreciated in her actions. Asking deep personal questions. Often when a woman is deeply interested in you, she might start delving into more personal aspects of your life. This includes asking questions all about your long-term aspirations, your deepest fears, and your past experiences. These questions go beyond surface-level chatter and indicate her desire to understand you on a deeper level. It's a way of forming a closer emotional connection, showing that she's interested in the real you, not just the persona that you present to the world. This kind of conversation can signify that she's thinking about a more serious, emotionally involved relationship. To engage with this level of deep questioning, be open and honest in your responses, while also respecting your own boundaries, of course. Sharing your dreams and fears can reciprocate her interest and deepen the connection. However, it's important to share at a pace that feels comfortable for you. You can also mirror this behaviour by asking her similar deep questions, fostering a mutual understanding and closeness. This exchange of personal thoughts and feelings can significantly strengthen the bond between you two, creating a foundation for a meaningful relationship. Bonus tip. A crucial bonus tip, adding an extra layer to these points, is mastering the art of subtle flirtation. This nuanced skill can make a significant difference in how your interactions are perceived and can dramatically increase your appeal. Let's uncover how subtle flirtation can be a game changer. Subtle flirtation is all about the art of hinting interest without being overt. It involves using playful banter, light teasing, and suggestive but respectful comments. This type of flirtation is all about creating a playful, engaging atmosphere that can stir curiosity and attraction. It's conveyed through body language, like a coy smile or a lingering glance, and through conversation, such as witty remarks or double entendres that are tasteful. Mastering this skill requires being attuned to her reactions and adapting your approach accordingly. It's a delicate balance between showing interest and maintaining an air of mystery. Being adept at subtle flirtation enhances your attractiveness by adding depth and intrigue to your interactions. It keeps the conversation exciting and dynamic and can significantly amplify the sexual tension in a respectful and captivating way. This approach can make the process of getting to know each other much more thrilling and enjoyable. So now that you've learned about when she's into you, are you ready for more insights? Consider watching How to Get Your Crush to Notice You, or explore the masculine traits that women find irresistible. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.